The rear door control module is located behind the rear door panel. You will need to remove it to replace it. Please follow the link provided at the end of this video for additional assistance with that task. With the door panel removed, you can see the control module, red arrow, above the lower speaker. You will have already removed the electrical connections for the door panel when removing the panel, blue arrows. Use a pick and gently press down on the locking tab and slide the electrical connection off of the module in the direction of the red arrow. Use a pick and slide out the red locking tab on the other connector. With the red locking tab pulled out, press down on the tab, green arrow, and slide the connection out from the control module. Press in on the tab on the remaining connection and pull it out from the module, red arrow. Press down on the mounting tab and pull it out from the door, red arrow. You can now lift the module out from the door. This image shows the two lower hooks that the module will slide into the door and the upper mounting tab, green arrow. If you are replacing the rear door control module, you will need to have it coded to your vehicle once it is installed. Use care not to touch any of the electrical connections with anything metal, and make sure you keep it in its anti-static pouch before installing. Installation is the reverse of removal. Thanks for watching. Be sure to subscribe to our channel and check out another video in this series.